on the darn frickin' chainsaw anymore. Frickin' Trump in his damn war. Oh well, at least I get free fish. Got the hole open. We're gonna get a little supper.
Let's get some fish. Ooh, that's melting.
It's melting. Yep. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, how's it going, Pumpkinhead?
Not too bad. Do you see what's going on that television?
I have.
Oh, I'm telling you, that freaking guy, and he started that damn war, and they've been just going at each other. Now the price of gas, I won't even be able to run my damn chainsaw.
Yeah, at least we got some free fish.
Oh, yeah. Some free fish. But as long as the damn trailer don't blow up, we'll be all good to go.
Yes, sir.
Hey, fishy, 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 fishy.
Well, hey, if we keep making noise, we're going to scare all the fish away.
What, does that attract them?
No, it scares them away.
Oh, well. You know, there's things to be talked about. They started that damn war.
Oh.
Now the price of gas is just going insane. I don't get it.
Would you be quiet? We're going to not get any fish.
Yeah, but I got something to say. You know, sometimes I had chocolate this morning. I can't stop talking when I get
That's
chocolate.
what's the problem.
Chocolate and beer. You know, it's the two best things. I don't even like chocolate. I just like the buzz.
Yeah. Yeah, you get too hyper. You're already hyped up enough.
Yep. Oh, it's a beautiful day, except for that stupid war thing. I'm telling you. One of these days, somebody's going to straighten it out, and everybody needs to give everybody
Would you be quiet?
a big old hug.
Fish.
A hug, that's all I'm saying. They just need a hug.
You're scaring all the fish away.
That Benjamin Netanyahu, he's got to fucking give old Donald Trump a hug, and then they got to go over there to that Khomeini guy and give him a hug, too. He needs 2 hugs.
Would you be quiet?
I can't stop talking. I just keep talking, and I'm talking, and I won't stop talking, and I just keep talking.
That's
and I can't
it.
stop it. It's the chocolate coming in.
I know.
And the chocolate, and I'm telling you, just keep talking. I'm telling you, there's no stopping it.
That's it. I'm gonna stop it.
Yo,
Yeah.
You don't even know
Yeah,
what
I'm
happened.
gonna stop it.
Ah!
I told him to be quiet. Now I'm gonna make him quiet. He's still here. It was just a dream.
Oh, darn you, Uncle Hank.
Why?
That chocolate's kicking in, I'm telling you. I never expected the gas to go to $2 a liter again. damn wars and damn talking and...
Hey, I'm Jean. I play Hank on the Trailer Parkers, and I hope that you liked this video. And please, subscribe to our channel. Okay, great. Thank you. So hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, press that like button, and follow. That would be awesome. And you'd be helping to make a dream come true for a bunch of YouTubers who would like to make this a full-time thing. So please check out more videos that are on our channel, The Trailer Parkers. Yes. And please make a dream come true.
I felt it hit me in the chest, man. Holy. Look at the fucking track. Look at the blocks. The fucking concrete blocks are all over the ice.
Did you feel that pressure?
So fast, eh?
The neighbors probably noticed.
Oh, yeah.
Look
God,
at
fucking
his
Kevin.
face. He's crying. John's crying. Look at him. He loves it.
Damn pumpkinhead.
That's it, man.
Holy
Hey, how you like that?
Holy
Wild.
shit.
That's the first time I think I've ever seen something blow up. Okay. That's pretty wicked.
Hey, now you know why we like blowing shit up?
Yeah. Definitely.
I told you your shows were boring. All you needed was exposure.
That's why pumpkin.